Getting started with Airbnb hosting. Step 1. Sign up. Ready to start your hosting journey? Signing up on Airbnb is free and straightforward. Hosting a place to stay. Your hosting style is flexible. You can list an entire home, a room in a bed and breakfast, or any unique space you have. Decide whether you want to greet your guests in person or offer self-check-in options. Ensure your listing meets Airbnb's basic hosting requirements for success. Ways to host: solo hosting, manage the property yourself, co-hosting, partner with a friend or partner to share hosting duties, hosting team, work with a team to handle multiple listings. Temporary housing, offer your space for free to those in need, such as COVID-19 responders or families fleeing conflict. Need assistance? Explore more about hosting or create your listing if you're ready. Hosting an Airbnb experience. Airbnb experiences include activities like classes, tours, concerts, and more. Hosts should provide unique insights, local expertise, and meaningful connections. To host an experience, follow Airbnb's quality standards. Be aware of local laws, especially regarding quarantine and social distancing. Learn about Airbnb experiences and adventures in detail. Need help? Check out the introductory guide to hosting experiences. Regulations for hosting. Airbnb operates globally but must comply with international regulations. This means services are unavailable in some regions, such as Crimea, Iran, Syria, and North Korea. Learn more about legal and regulatory considerations for hosting stays and experiences on Airbnb. Ready to host? Dive into the details, meet the standards, and join the Airbnb community today.